Now, an important editing feature of MS Excel is autofill feature. In autofill, it helps to complete a series automatically. What is a series? A series is a sequence of numbers or some values that are interrelated with each other and form a continuous chain serially. So a series is a continuous chain of values that have a interrelation between them. For example, series of odd numbers, series of even numbers. That means they follow a proper logic. Logic means only the even numbers will be there. That means 2, 4, 6, 8. This is a series of even number. Then series of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. So they follow a particular logic behind that sequence. So MS Excel provides a feature which can fill the series automatically just by providing the first two values of the series. You don't have to type all the data, all the values of the series manually in your worksheet. Just you have to type only the first two values of the series, and after that, when you perform the autofill feature, it will automatically generate rest of the values of the series. So let's take an example. Let's generate a series of odd numbers starting from 1, odd natural numbers. So for that, first you have to select a cell. Here you have to provide the first value of the series. First odd number is first natural odd number is 1. Then the next natural odd number is 3. After 1, 3 is there in the series. So you can see that to generate the series, you have to enter the first two value of the series. The first value in one cell and the second value in the adjacent downward cell. Adjacent means side by side. This is also side by side cell, but this is the downward adjacent cell. A1, A2. A2 is the downward adjacent cell of A1. In downward direction, A2 is adjacent cell of A1. And in horizontal direction, B1 is the adjacent cell of A1. But in autofill, generally we do in downward direction. Generally we put the values in downward adjacent cells. So downward adjacent cell of A1 is A2. But if we wish, we can do in horizontal adjacent cell also. There will be no problem. Okay. So we have entered the first two values of the series in the consecutive cells or the adjacent cells. These two are the consecutive cells or adjacent cells in downward direction. MS Excel refers the first value as starting value. This is the first value or starting value of the series. This is the second value, and the gap between these two values is known as step. The gap between two consecutive or adjacent values is known as the step of the series. Now we have to select both these values Then we have to bring our mouse pointer to the bottom right corner of this selection here. When we bring here, you see a black color solid plus sign is shown here. Now you have to click the left button of your mouse and hold it. You cannot leave the mouse, hold it like this. Holding like this, drag the mouse in downward direction up to how many terms of the series you want, how many number of the series you want, how many values you want to generate, up to how many values you want to generate the series as per your requirement. You drag it. Suppose I want to show the first 10 odd natural numbers, so up to row number 10 I drag it and then leave the mouse. See, 1 3 5 7 9 11, automatically it will generate the odd natural numbers, rest of the odd natural numbers after 3. So we don't have to manually think and write, automatically it does this job for us. So if there are hundreds of like these odd numbers, Excel will automatically generate it for us. So it is not limited to only numbers. Autofill can be applied to text also. If you want days of the week or months also to appear in a proper order, it will do for you. For example, you start from Monday. But in days of the week, Excel does not require the second value. If you just give the first value, the name of any day, from that day onwards, it will automatically generate the other days of the week. For example, I bring to the bottom left corner, bottom right corner, it changes to plus sign, then hold and drag it to how much days we want up to Sunday. See, automatically it generates up to Sunday. Now suppose you want the day to begin from Wednesday. Then click and drag it. See, so the starting day is Wednesday. Excel will automatically take the next day after Wednesday, that is Thursday. Then accordingly it will go on, and up till how much you have selected the cell, that many values it will place. So after Wednesday, I had selected 5 cells. So up till 5 cells, how many values can be accommodated, that many values it displays to you. Now it can generate the series of months also. Suppose you give a month September. Then go to the bottom right. When the plus sign becomes solid black, drag it up to how much number of cells you want, you drag it up to that much as per your desired requirement, then leave it. You can see that After September, whatever months are there, it displays that serially. You can see the year ends in December. Then again it starts from January, February, March, April, May, June. It ends in June because I have selected the cell up to this much. If we had selected the cell more downwards, then rest of the months will also appear. So like this autofill feature generates the values automatically.